This is the universal HDMI adapter string from the INFOBIT AV. The module is iCable AR11. Let's open and take a look. Alright, this says is HDMI female ports, and it comes with one adapter display port and one more mini HDMI and one mini display port and the Type-C USB Type-C port. And it has one security cable, and it comes with a clamp with sticker here. The clamp is tooth-free, so you can clamp a USB cable inside and just push. So you can stick this one on the table and you can track table anyway. And when you have a meeting for the presentation, you just choose a adapter and connect the cable, and then connect this adapter to your device, like PC, like your mobile device if you use the Type-C port. And also, here's also detachable, and you can take it out. If the clamp is stick on the table, and you always can take this one to your next meeting and put in your bag. Sometimes people always use this kind of small adapter. It's always missing and lost for some reason. And also, like this one, the pigtail one, normally we have several different devices like PC, mobile phone, like tablets, a lot of devices with different ports. So you have to get a lot of different types of the adapters, short cable. So it's not easy to use when you have a meeting, a presentation, and or even you can use it at your home office. For example, this kind of the HDMI adapter string can be used for the presentation room, meeting room, classroom, or even church. So for more details, please visit www.infobitab.com. Thank you so much.